tree hunting day. Got my orange hat on just so I don't get shot by, you know, hunters, because hunters are still out. But we're gonna go look for a Christmas tree. We got the 700 and the 400 all started up. We're about to head out onto government on adjacent property. Should be taking the Argo, that'd be so much better. Oh well, we'll take the quads. Don't know how much snow there's gonna be, so let's hope we find a tree. My assumption is that would be the end, and it goes into. Well, there is no fence. Now we can go down there and then head out around that way. Well, since you made it this far, might as well go like and subscribe. So we're gonna wait for you and just hit that subscribe button so you can watch the rest of our videos that pop up as we make them. Well, if we just take the top part of that one. You need at least 8 foot. Some more pines over there. More pines over there. It's not horrible, yeah, it is skimpy, but it's got the height. Gotta stay up more on the ridge. Up this way. Lots of pines around, but not really full ones. Just tall, skinny ones. There's one over here, Dad. Kind of skimpy as well, but it's wider. There, how about that one? It's a good 2 feet tall. There's this one over here. Thin trunk still though.
Yeah, not very even either.
Since when do we have even trees? You just put the other side against the wall. Well, we didn't get anything, but it was fun to still go out on the quads. It was a little bit of snow, so yeah, it was kind of fun. But we're gonna head out probably next week and try a different area because we want a nice full thick Christmas tree for our living room. So I guess the adventure continues next week.